I'm Ravichandran, PGT Commerce, Shakthi International School, teaching class 11th and class 12th accountancy subject. In this video, I would like to give explanation regarding goodwill valuation and followed by a series of videos. I wanted to solve the NCERT numerical questions given in the chapter partnership, admission of partners. So first, let me discuss the goodwill valuation. So the first thing, goodwill valuation. Before that, let's see what is goodwill. So goodwill is the estimated monetary value for the business firm's reputation. So it is the estimated monetary value given to the firm's reputation. The reputation gained by the firm may be the foremost thing. The firm may supply quality product. The firm may manage the company very, very efficiently. The firm may be doing branding perfectly. I mean, they will be doing a lot of advertisements. And the company, that firm's location may be in a convenient place to the customer. Because of that, the company, not only because of that, there may be so many factors. Because of that, the firm may enjoy a lot of reputation. And monetary value calculated or estimated for this reputation is called as goodwill. And next thing, what is the relation between profit and goodwill valuation? So because in partnership for goodwill valuation, the methods we use is average profit, super profit, and capitalization of profit. And all these methods, we use profit as a base to calculate the goodwill of the firm. Why do we use, the question is, why do we use profit as the base for calculating the goodwill? That is the question. So if you see, if a firm builds a reputation, it results in selling more products. And if the firm happens to sell more product, definitely, naturally, it will increase its profit. Therefore, profit is used in goodwill valuation in the partnership firm. So why profit is used in valuation of goodwill? Because if a firm enjoy reputation, it affects the sale of the firm. So there is a positive correlation. And if the sale of the product, there is an increased demand for the product, naturally the company will make more profit. If it is the more the profit, then naturally, that's what, if it is there are two companies, A and B. If it is company A make more profit and A and B made same investment, all other factors are same, and material cost, everything is same. But company A enjoy more profit. Suppose, say for example, 30% extra profit gain. It is because of the reputation of their firm. Therefore, profit is the base to calculate the goodwill followed in partnership firm. So followed by this, I would like to solve all the numerical questions regarding goodwill valuation given in the NCERT. So you can watch that also. Thank you. Hope you understand the concept of goodwill valuation and why do we use profit as the base for calculating the goodwill.